Alright, YouTube, welcome back to the channel. We in the photo room. Right here you're looking at Demon King by Tiki cuts. This is a Dante's Inferno cross with Gary Satan. This was a clone I purchased from tikicuts.com. She's been in the photo room for about 4 days. You can see we got her in a 3-inch trellis, 3.5-inch trellis net. Yeah, if this is your first time tuning in, this is a 100-gallon pot and with the Thirsty Earth Oils automatic watering system. We're also doing the living mulch in here. Got a basil plant there, some cover crop, another basil plant. Took a little bit off from the bottom. Probably do some more as they go further in flower. But we got a nice even canopy so far. See, filling on up. Room temps 79 and 59% humidity. This room right here stays in the lights. This room stays on 12-12. These plants don't veg in this room. They veg in 2-gallon pots, and then after 5 weeks, 4 to 5 weeks of veg, we bring them in here. This is the Gotti Girl. She's on day 42, I believe. Yeah, day 42. Looking real nice as usual. Look like we got some larger buds out this one. Our last one, the Gotti Girl, we harvested 484 grams of quality flower, which I'm very pleased with that. Oh, Gotti Girl is just awesome. She has a very unique terp profile. She has the bag appeal. And she has the effect. And this is in the 3x3 raised bed, fabric bed, with the blue mat automatic watering system. You can see the carrot right there. And you have the drip tape right here. You can see the drip tape has water in it, so she's getting some water. Cover crop, living mulch layer. Got the 2-gallon pots. You keep them in 2-gallon pots. Like I said, they veg in these pots for about 4 to 5 weeks. Then they come in the flower room. They go lower, still frosted. They got it, girl. Appreciate y'all for tuning in. Until next time.